Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Moon, and here on this channel we talk about camera tech, gadgets and smart gizmos. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, that really helps me out. But today we're going to be talking about a few new products that Philips Hue have announced. Let's jump into it. Signify, the subsidiary behind the Hue lighting, has announced some new exciting products as well as some updates on their current product lineup. First up, we have an update on the Philips Hue Go portable smart lamp. It is a follow-up on the original Hue Go, which was released back in 2015. This has one key new addition, the support for Bluetooth. This means that you don't need a bridge in order to use it with the Hue app or the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. However, for HomeKit support, this still requires the Philips Hue bridge. Also, the new Hue Go also has a bigger battery, making it last a lot longer than the previous one. The Hue Go brightness has also gone up from 400 lumens all the way up to 520 lumens. It will be available in November for $79.99. If you've already got one, I would say that this isn't really a must-have upgrade. But if you haven't got one, then this is definitely a plus, as it is brighter and obviously you've got that Bluetooth support. Next up, we have the new Philips Hue smart plug, which in my opinion looks like it works like almost every other smart plug out there. It basically turns any dumb lamp into a smarter one. What you can do is you can actually add this to your Philips Hue setup just like any other normal smart light and control it using the Hue app or using your chosen voice assistant. The Philips Hue smart plug is also launching in Europe next week, priced at €29.95. Not sure if they'll be releasing one for the UK or not, as I couldn't seem to find any sources that would say so, but some sources have said that there will be a UK version being made. Now, looking at the initial pictures of the device, it looks rather large compared to some of the competition, and I do not know if there will be any energy monitoring features like its competition. I also don't know if this is going to be a big seller for them, as I think that you can get a smaller, more featured smart plug for a lower price. They also have announced a new Philips Hue smart button. It's magnetic and it comes with a wall plate, so you can put this anywhere, and essentially you can program it to have certain commands like a single press or a press and hold button to turn the light on and off, brighten and dim your lights. When connected to the Philips Hue bridge, you can configure the button so it turns your lights to different temperatures at different times of the day. The smart button doesn't include Bluetooth, but you can directly connect up to 10 bulbs via Zigbee to control them directly, meaning that you do not require a hub to get started. The new Philips Hue button will be available in October for $19.99, while the smart plug will be available at the same time for $39.99. Next up, Philips Hue has also launched new GU10 spotlights in Bluetooth enabled Hue White and color ambience, as well as Hue White ambience variants. With a new design compared to their predecessor, the new model is slightly smaller, it's brighter and more vibrant. For those interested, the max output has increased from 250 lumens all the way up to 500 lumens. This is a big upgrade. Starting this month, the color variant will be available for $54.99, while a 2-pack of white ambience bulbs will be available for $49.99. There are also new E12 candle bulbs which will suit chandeliers as well as ceiling fans. As before, they're shaped for more of a decorative light and will support adjustable brightness. For 2019, they also get Bluetooth support. They'll go on sale this month, and for the price of 2, that will run you back $32.99. Last but not least, if you like traditional incandescent Edison style bulbs, then you'll love what they've just launched. The new line of Filament smart lights will be available in 3 different variants, starting October with the traditional A19 smart bulb shape for $24.99, ST19 tube for $27.99, and the G25 globe for $32.99. These look incredible. All 3 can be used on Bluetooth or can be connected to the Philips Hue bridge, and they have ample brightness of 530 lumens. These bulbs are probably the most exciting, as they are probably the most stylish smart bulbs out there. I might even have to grab myself a couple of these, as I really like the style of them. I'm really glad that Philips Hue have announced something like this, as this is what I think they've been missing. So there you have it. Just a quick video on a few updates from Philips Hue. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these and what you like and dislike about them. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in any of the things that I spoke about today, as well as the gear that I use, there will be a link in the description down below, or all of the links will be in the description down below. But for now, look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.